Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. In my last video I showed you how to make green beans with coconut in the air fryer. If you missed it, do check it out. The link is in the description below. Today I'm so excited to bring this perfect yummy sweet Jaggery Pongal, a popular South Indian dessert especially made in Tamil Nadu. Pongal is a harvest festival that expresses gratitude to the sun god. On this day both savory and sweet pongal is made. If you don't have an instant pot, I'm attaching the video link of traditional sweet pongal made in pressure cooker. Do check it out. Those who have an instant pot, let's see how easily this is made with rice, lentil and jaggery. Super tasty, super easy. You're going to love it. There's plenty of tips, so keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this sweet Jaggery Pongal, I'm using split yellow moong beans or moong dal. They come from the whole green moong beans which are split and skinned, and this is easily available in any Indian store. For this recipe, I'm taking half cup moong dal. Next, use any medium grained rice. I'm using organic sona masoori rice. It's flavorful and lightweight grains, perfect to make pongal. I'm taking 1 cup of rice. Depending upon the quantity, you may double it or measure half of it. The measurement is important. For 1 cup of rice, take half cup of moong dal. Then I'm going to use jaggery powder, which is darker in color. The darker jaggery powder is better. Now we have 3 key ingredients ready. Let's check to see if your instant pot is clean, especially for making dessert. You don't want any other spice smell overpowering. Also, the lid should be good and clean. Turn the instant pot on and press saute button. Now add moong dal. I'm going to dry roast it for about a minute till you get an aroma and dal turns slightly golden. Do not brown the dal as the flavor changes. Keep stirring for even color. This is an important step. Do not leave it unattended. To this I'm adding 1 cup rice and saute for about 30 more seconds. These are a few simple tips which I learned from my mother, which will make this pongal more flavorful. Now cancel the saute mode and let it cool down. Let me show you the snow outside. It's pretty cool but very cold. Roasted dal and rice is cooled down. Pour water. Rinse it well for about 2 to 3 times. This will help remove excess starch on the grains and any dust or dirt. Look at the color of the water. It would have gone inside our body. Taking care of our health, what we eat and how we eat is important. Then add enough water and soak it for about 20 to 30 minutes. This will help absorb more essential minerals from the grains. Also helps food to digest better. Now let's roast cashews and raisins. Handful of cashews and raisins, maybe around 20 pieces each, should be good. Press saute button. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Ghee enhances the taste. For vegan option, add coconut oil instead of ghee. Then add cashews. Once cashews are golden brown, add the raisins and saute for few seconds. Now this looks good. Remove them and keep it aside for later use. Let's check on the soaked rice and moong dal. It's been around 20 to 25 minutes. Discard the water. Add the rice and dal into the instant pot. Now here's the simple way to remember the measurement of water. With the same measuring cup used for rice and dal, add 3 times with each cup. Add 3 times with 1 cup. Then add 3 more times with half cup. So 1, 2, 3 with half cup, 1, 2, 3 times with 1 cup. Total 4.5 cups of water. Add the measured water to the instant pot. Now carefully Close the lid. Press pressure cook button and set the time for 9 minutes. I don't have to do anything else with this model. Find my step-by-step beginner's guide video if you want to learn more about this model. Once the pressure builds up, you will see the float valve pop up and start to cook. This is how it should be. And leave it for the pressure to release naturally. Cooking is done, float valve is down, the pressure is released. Carefully open the lid, it's going to be hot. Wow, beautifully done. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. This is another tip which will help mash the cooked rice and dal to a smooth texture. This looks good. Now let's add jaggery powder. If you have jaggery cubes, you will have to melt it before adding. I'm adding 2 cups of jaggery powder here. Easy method and saves my cooking time. Adding half cup water to this. Press saute button for a minute. This is important, and start mixing it well. The heat will help mix in the jaggery evenly along with cooked rice and dal. To this add 4 tablespoon ghee generously and mix well. Cancel the saute mode. Now let's add more flavor. To this add ground cardamom. You may also grind from cardamom pods. Add pinch of clove powder and little bit of nutmeg powder. This will enhance the taste of our sweet pongal. Smells so good. Add in the roasted cashews and raisins. Isn't that gorgeous to look at? Mix together, and now I have one last tip to make it more flavorful. Add 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut powder. You may also add fresh chopped coconut pieces roasted in ghee. It will give us the nutty flavor. For finishing touch, garnishing with roasted cashews and raisins, which I saved some from earlier. This looks beautiful. A perfectly cooked sweet jaggery pongal in Instant Pot is ready. This is so good. You saw how easily this is made in Instant Pot. In the past, I've made sweet jaggery pongal using milk. Today I wanted to show you how sweet pongal can be made without any milk or white sugar. Then looking for dairy-free option and who are avoiding white sugar, you'll be happy to make this recipe. Save this recipe, make it and enjoy it with your friends and family. Do comment below whenever you make it and let me know how it turned out. Thanks for supporting this channel. If you enjoyed this video, do give a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm. Keep shining, keep smiling. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.